Hello everyone, how are you going? Today I'm showing off this brand new locomotive I've got. It is the Australian Railway Models C38 Class 3803. So I picked this up on a great discount recently, and it has been at my model shop for a long time, so I was like, I need one of these. Specifically seeing as it is a 38 class, it is almost Australia's version of the A4 Pacifics you have in the UK. And it is also my first ever Australian locomotive, and I'm Australian, so that's a bit weird, but it's going to be the one locomotive on my layout that isn't actually British, but this might be the start of something because this locomotive is gorgeous. The livery is amazing. I know 3801 is coming out in a couple months by the same manufacturers, and I 100% will pick this up. But yeah, it's a gorgeous locomotive. It runs well. It's got amazing detail. The light at the front there you see does not work, but eventually I hope to put an LED in it. And yeah, I'm going to leave you with some shots of this thing going around the layout. So thank you guys so much for watching. It was a very short video, but I just wanted to show this locomotive off in action. I have made a video on 3801 if you're interested in watching that. And yeah, like and subscribe guys, and I'll see you soon.